is the first shift at night. You can call it the third shift. Assembling and departing the train. And when you have one of the lifters broke, I never saw that before. This is the first time I see a lift broke. And it seems like the chain of the lift, the chain ruptured. Look at the side. See it on the side. The chain ruptured. And the crane dropped in the middle. This is the way it looks like. So this is out of commission. You can look at the top, you can see that it fell while it was lifting. It was lifting something and it fell broke. So now they have only three lifts that works. Right in front of me at the end, when you get there, you have one that's working, and there is one here that is working. They are short on one. You have total of 4 giant lifts. This is how they assemble. This is one segment of the train, 1 out of 8. There are 2 rails here, 2 rail lines, 2 rail lines on the other side. So after they assemble the 8 segments, they have a local locomotive, about 3 engines. They pull each segment and hook it to the other one. It's a very primitive way of working. The only thing here that is new, that is modern, is using the electric generator to generate electricity from a diesel engine. That's the only thing that is modern, technical. Everything else is very simple, primitive mechanical linkage and the connections, and you have to have a person, a living person. That is the green. Those are the 3 units that do the hooking of the segments. There are 5 units. Here is the only one that is taking a break. And one is broke and the 2 are working. This is to be assembled. The 2 rails here, 2 lines here, multiplying by 2, that's 4 segments that they have 2 cranes working on.